peaches in Iowa are a gamble, but if you can get them, they can be really good. So here's one right here that's got a good red cheek on it, and if it's a really ripe peach, it will pop when you're ready to pull it off the tree. And that's an Iowa peach right there. That's a Coral Star variety. Here's a nice one right here. That's got color and that's got size to it. And you kind of palm it and then give it a little bit of a twist. Did you hear that pop? That pop made, oh, that's going to be a good peach. I might keep that one myself.
Marty Mincer knows his peaches. His family has operated an orchard in the far southwest corner of Iowa for more than 100 years. In 1910, Marty's grandfather earned worldwide attention by saving his crop from a freeze with 1,000 oil-burning smudge pots. The family has also depended on ragtime piano music, teaching lessons and performing to keep things going over the years. Mincer Orchard primarily grows apples, but you can spot the peach trees by their long, glossy green and pointed leaves. Peaches are part of the rose family, along with plums, cherries, and almonds. They can have yellow or white flesh, but all peaches are fuzzy, and they're divided into freestones or clingstones, depending on whether the flesh sticks to the stone or not. In late July, when they're ripe, Marty's yellow freestone peaches are sweet, juicy, and delicious.
I grow what I like to eat. I grow peaches because I like peaches, and I grow the apple varieties I grow because I like the juice, I like the apples. Oh, that looks like a good one right there. Pop. There is no hurry with the peaches. You wait till they get ripe. The secret to having a good flavored peach and one that kind of tastes like cardboard is that you wait as long as you can, leaving that peach on the tree. And that's what makes the flavor.
The orchard's location in the Loess Hills protects the trees from some late freezes. They love the angle of the sun, the slope of the ground, and the soil. Even so, Marty only expects to have a good crop 2 out of every 4 years.
The early springs has probably been what'll zap you. You can have the best looking trees, the best looking buds, and we get into April, mid-late April, and you dip below 30 degrees, your crop is gone till next year. Well, we've got apples. I've also got corn and field corn and soybeans. I play the piano and I can drive a truck. So I've got a few other things just in case we don't have any peaches. These are PF23s, or 22s. Beautiful peach, little later season peach. They won't be ready for another couple of days at least, but oh my God, that's a great peach. I've got different varieties of peaches because it extends your season. If you just had one variety and they all get ready at once, then you've lost your window. Let's say it rains for 3 days. But if you have varieties that get ready over the course of 2 weeks or so, then you've got an early market, a mid-season market, and a late season market. And that's just, it works out beautiful that way. That by the time word gets around what you're doing, you've still got something to sell.
I'll let her do the picking because she's got the set.
I love the trees, I love the fruit, I love the quiet. Grass and trees and birds and bees. We hear the bees right now out here. It's beautiful.